Let's have a look at the sales features of Dynamics 365 Business Central, and specifically how easy it is to process a sales order from your mobile device. Business Central comes with free to download apps for Android, Windows Mobile and Apple. If you are out on the road and you've got access to Business Central, you're ready to go. Let's have a look.
Today, I am going to show you how to create a sales order from your mobile device using Dynamics 365 Business Central. First, ensure you are logged in and ready to post the order. Here, you can see I am logged in to the same company on my PC and mobile device. To start the sales order, I will go to the last tab to the right with the 3 dots and select Sales Order. From here, you can select the customer and, for example, I will use Bafana Enterprises. Here you will see the posting date, the order date, due date and requested delivery date for the customer's order. At the Lines section, I can click on the plus to add some items to the sales order. In Type, I can go select an item type, which could be a comment or GL account, etc. You can then select the stock item that is available. For this video, I am going to select one Ridgeback chair. From here, we can select a location, and here I have location 1 set up as the Boksburg warehouse. Then I am going to set the quantity as 1. Over here, we can see that this might be a drop shipment coming directly from the vendor to the customer, and the unit of measure for this item will be pieces. The system will update the amounts as you go depending on discount and VAT. Okay, so then from here I'm going to click on the ellipsis and we can scroll down to Post and Send to select it. But for now, I am just going to select Post. Then you can select Ship and Invoice. The system will then give you the invoice number 103006. You then have the option to open the posted invoice and view it now, or you can select No and carry on. I'm going to go ahead and select No. Once that is all done, I can go into the system and view the balance for that customer. To do that, I will select the tab all the way on the left with the 3 parallel lines. Select Customers. Then, once I see all my customers, I can select the customer, Bafana Enterprises, and under Balance, I can see their balance of R1,322.50. If you select their balance, the system will open up the detailed ledger for that customer. Thank you for watching.
If you want to get going on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, reach out to us on email or via our website or on social media. Dynamics Africa has the largest channel of experienced Dynamics partners on the African continent. With decades worth of experience in a variety of industries, our partners has what it takes to get you up and running in no time.